Yeah. Right, girls, this is the second testing of the fractal burner. We had a blowout first. That was a fuse. It's still plugged in because I have got a rocker switch on it, and I'm taking a lot of precautions. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. And this little beauty. Right. You ready? On with the rocker switch. Wow. Look at that.
Oh, well, that's lovely.
I know. I like that bit there. Now, just leave it filming. Again, not even turning it off because I've got total control because I've got a rocker switch. I'll show you the, well, Paul will show you the, are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go again. Here we go. This is the water that's burning off, and it's the baking soda that is conducting it. Maybe did it a bit too much there. Yeah, there we go, it's going. Can you see the middle? Isn't that beautiful? That is gorgeous. Ready? Ready? That is fractal burning using a Licton burner. Look down here. See? This is the rocker switch. It turns it on and off. Absolutely sound. It's earthed using how many washers? About 5. That's your live feed and your negative kind of thing. And this is where I've got it plugged in. Isn't this awesome? It's lovely.
Nothing not that dangerous, Dan.
Oh, that's beautiful. Right, press that.